We're about to see the fountain. Fountain show is gonna start, but I hope when the fountain show is there, we are in the boat. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun, and after this, I think so we're gonna go back to our hotel. Eat some Turkish ice cream, and I'm choosing pistachio.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, gotta go with my ice cream finally. So, Turkish ice cream people, they always try to make a game with you, and you have to try to get it. Okay, everyone. So that was the episode of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. So our next trip is the Museum of Future, which we will go tomorrow. I'm going to show you everything around it. And I hope you like, subscribe, and share, please. Bye.